told you could get free connects, you'd be like,
nah, that's not possible.
But there actually is a few ways to get free connects. In this video, I want to actually show you them so at least you can maximize the amount of connects you're getting for free so that you can send more proposals, land more clients, and make more money. And if you don't already know who I am, my name is Ryan. I make freelancing easy. I love what I do, so let's get straight into it. Now, the first way to get free connects is actually a thing that you've probably seen and thought, nah, this doesn't actually work, which is the promo codes. And you've probably seen that if I actually just show you when you go to buy connects. So if you go to buy connects, you'll notice that it says promo code. But when have you ever received a promo code? I definitely haven't received a promo code. And they actually do give these promo codes out periodically via email, but you need to make sure that you have your notifications set up correctly in your account details. All you're gonna do is head over to the top right, click your picture, go to account settings, then go to notification settings, click email updates first, scroll all the way down. And then you see where it says, send me genuinely useful emails every now and then to help me out. Click this, make sure this is on. Also, make sure that notify me of Upwork events happening in my local area. Also, I have purchased or received connects. And also the most important one, subscription related events occur. If you do this, you'll occasionally get a promotional code from Upwork. Now, granted, the reason I started this video by saying kinda is because it's super rare. We might as well be in it to win it, and any opportunity for us to get free connects makes sense, so why not, right? The second way you can get free connects is by actually getting a badge on your profile. And this can be done even as a beginner or as a more experienced freelancer. Every time you get a badge on your profile, you'll typically get a small periodic amount of connects from Upwork. If I show you on screen, for example, if you get rising talent, you're typically gonna get a few connects for free. If you click top rated and you get top rated on your profile, you're gonna get some connects for free. And it's the same for top rated plus, expert vetted, and so on. So whenever you get a badge on your profile, you're gonna get some free connects. So that's another kind of way to get some free connects. The other way you can get some free connects is actually signing up for the Upwork membership. If you just head over to the main page, and then you head over to connects and you see free connects. There's also a section here where you can potentially get some free connects as well, which is pretty cool. But if you sign up for the membership, which is right here actually in the top right-hand corner, click membership plan. As long as you are associated with this plus plan, you're gonna get a certain amount of free connects. Now, they're not technically free because you are paying for a membership, but you're getting like more bang for your buck, if you will, from the membership. So that's another way that you can get some free connects as well. And I would urge you to go check out that free connect section on the connects page so that you can try and maximize some connects that way too. Now, another way you can get connects, but not really get connects, but protect your connects, is by getting messages back from potential clients. Whenever you get a response, most people don't know this, but you actually get a percentage of those connects back. And you can do that by going into the connects history and actually looking at all the jobs that you're applying to. And you can actually see, like, whenever you get a message back from a potential client, you're rewarded some connects. You also sometimes get this when certain jobs expire as well. And another way is by getting invitations, because invitations don't cost connects to apply. So this isn't really about free connects as much as it is about protecting, the connects that you are spending. And to be honest, my entire strategy on Upwork is focused on getting replies. I don't necessarily need to close every single client, but I do want to get as many replies as possible just so that I can protect my investment, right? Because ultimately, there's only like really one cost to Upwork, which is sending proposals. If I can negate that as much as possible, then it's basically free for me to acquire customers, which is good for me and it's good for everybody involved. And that's it. To be honest, I think that's the only ways that you can get free connects, at least what I've found. If you have another way, drop it in the comments. Let's help everybody out. That's what this whole YouTube channel is for, about making freelancing easy. So if you know another way that I missed, put it in the comment section and I'll see you in the next video.